Hi, my name is Judy Nguyen. I'm a teaching and learning consultant with All Covered Education. It's my pleasure to present my poster on managing and teaching 3D modeling and printing remotely. This is a poster that reflects what I've learned on how to manage a 3D printing program and how to teach 3D printing and modeling remotely. So in the poster session, I'll include some basic information on 3D printing, some fun facts and how it started. Also discuss the educational benefits of 3D printing and provide resources for managing a remote 3D program, and I'll also provide a case study example of St. Peter and St. Paul in Upland, California, and how that instructor was able to teach students, and we taught the students how to create a bubble wand using Tinkercad, and then how to send him the file so that he could print it on his printer. Just want to let you know all my resources will be either posted in the poster session, but you could also find them in my website, which is the bit.ly/Judy ARVR3D. I'll include the slideshow and as well as a YouTube video to demonstrate how to build your own bubble wand using Tinkercad. So I'll just flip through this really quickly so you can get a little bit of a preview. But again, like I said, I'll just post it. If you didn't know, Chuck Hull is the founder of 3D printing, and I'll include this YouTube video in the poster session. And I always like using this video because it just provides a good foundation of like why he built it and a little bit about who he is. I'll talk about the 3D printing process. This is some terminology that is really basic to 3D printing and 3D modeling, and also go over the benefits and the C standards that it hits. And I'll also share, this is a free lesson that you're able to use with your students. It's designed for middle school, but you could probably at least print it and use it with younger students, but it is more of a middle school math lesson. And then also share with you the resources, how to support 3D modeling and printing remotely. And, you know, I use Tinkercad, and I think a lot of people use Tinkercad. It's really good for beginners of all ages, but especially for young students. And then just go over the case study. And here's some of the students' designs. And then we'll go over Tinkercad. So that was a really, really brief teaser for you. So I hope that you could attend my poster session live. If not, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to connect with you if you have any questions about your 3D program, especially if you're a beginner, you're not sure where to start. You know, maybe what's happened a lot sometimes is like you've inherited a 3D printer or you found a 3D printer, you know, like, what am I going to do next? Reach out to me. I would love to help you. You can find me at Twitter at Mrs. Judy Nguyen. And again, my bit.ly is bit.ly/Judy ARVR3D. Thank you.